Hello, this is Hans from My Golden Future. I promised to make a video about Cardano, and here it is. Why do I want to tell you about Cardano? Because I think it's a really great project. I love it because of a lot of reasons, and I also think that the coin ADA is one of the coins with a really big price potential for the future. So that's the reason that I added ADA to my portfolio a few months ago, and well, I think the potential is huge, so that's what I want to share with you. This video is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I just want to share my thoughts with you to educate, to inform you, so that you can make your own choices based on some good stuff, and the research you always have to do yourself. And one of the places where you can do your research is, of course, the website cardano.org, where you can find everything about this project, about the people behind it, about the companies that they work together with. This is the place to be to understand what this project is. The founder of Cardano is Charles Hoskinson. I don't know if you know the name, but he is the co-founder of Ethereum. So this guy knows a little bit about crypto and has a great track record, and in my opinion also has a great vision. I love the way he thinks, I love the way he works, and well, that's one of the reasons that I chose Cardano to add to my portfolio. Lately there has been a lot of interesting news facts about this project, about what they're doing, about new parts in the ecosystem. So I'm going to show you something about Cardano in another browser. First of all, this one. Cardano, Charles, is focused on Africa because he thinks they will lead the DeFi revolution. And well, what is the reason that he thinks so? It's just because of the fact that they lack all kind of possibilities that we find normal in our Western societies. You can see it in this article. Who's actually going to do peer-to-peer loans, who's actually going to do peer-to-peer insurance, etc. It's not what we're looking for, not the first thing, because we have all kind of other solutions to these problems. But when you're in Africa and you realize that there are more than 300-400 million people that are unbanked, have no access to normal financial solutions like we have, then you can understand that there is a real problem for the development of this continent to be more successful, to be more educated, to have more businesses, and to be more self-reliant. So that's what I love about Charles. He's not that he has a great vision on blockchain and DeFi and cryptocurrencies, but he has also a great vision about the world and how wealth should be shared, distributed, and about equal opportunities. What else was in the news? Well, this one, the article about Jack Dorsey, who says he wants to decentralize social networks. He tweeted about that, and Charles Hoskinson jumped in and said to Jack, "We're working on something, Jack. You shouldn't build this in-house, make it an open source project, and our entire industry can contribute." So you can see that the vision that Charles has about cooperation, open source, to build something where other people can build upon themselves. And I'm really interested in what this is going to bring. If you look at the other things that this project makes special for me, then you have to watch the videos that BitBoy did with Charles Hoskinson. There are two of them. Both are like 25-30 minutes. And what you hear in these videos is, and what I loved in the videos is, not only the passion that Charles has, but also the way they work, that quality is really, really important. Before they develop something, before they build something, They write papers, they get those papers academically peer reviewed to be certain that the concepts are correct, that it will work, and after that they will going to build what they want to build. But it's not like they're rushing in, dumping something in the blockchain space and hoping that it will work, and afterwards seeing that when the users come in that it fails because it can't handle the amount of users. We see all kind of projects that are first to market, so to speak, but when there is a lot of mass adoption and a lot of people that want to use it, then problems start to come because of the volume of the users, and this is something that they want to avoid by really thoroughly investigating and peer reviewing the ideas, what they want. When asked what is your main goal, your main objective, Charles Hoskinson said, I would love to be the one who has 1 billion users on the Cardano blockchain. And what he also said was that he wants to be Cardano, the financial operating system for DeFi. Big words, but I think this is the guy who can make things like that happen. He has the vision, he has the brains, he has the team. So follow the news about this project. Okay, at the end of the video, we also look at price and price predictions. Check this out. Inside Bitcoins, Cardano, Neo and SushiSwap are potential top crypto performers. This is an article with the vision of crypto trader Austin Arnold, and he put Cardano on the top list because of the things I mentioned earlier in this video, and because of the potential, because of what it is developing and how it is becoming a major player in the world of blockchain and decentralized finance. When you watch at the charts, when you take a look at the charts and you go to CoinMarketCap, you see that Cardano is 6th spot, but if you look at the graph, you see it over here. It's green because of the profit today, but after the dip that was there, it's climbing, it goes up. And I think because of the position here in the market cap, there is already a lot of interest, but for new money that comes into the space and that is looking for an interesting opportunity with a low price but with a lot of potential, well, you can see that Cardano is really interesting because of the price, which is still really low. XRP would be a competitor, but we all know what happened to Ripple. So you see that Ripple is going down. So in the top 10, there's only Cardano, and well, Stellar is also not that expensive. But I think because of the project, because of the people, because of the market cap, and because of the price, we will see an interesting rise in the price of Cardano. And I wouldn't be surprised if it will be, well, 10x at least in 2021. I'm not a financial advisor, but it's just my opinion, my thoughts. I hope you enjoyed the video. Study this project, see for yourself if you want to do something with Cardano, if you want to do something with ADA. And I'm looking forward to shoot another video about another topic, and hope you will watch that and enjoy that also. Have a great day. Bye.